Now, before we dive into learning React, and especially because the way this course is structured, it is helpful to have a basic understanding of the following technologies. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the technologies that you should have a good understanding before diving into React. Now, React is based on JavaScript, and it is essential to know the basic, at least, of HTML and CSS in order to understand how to structure and style components. As you will see later on when we're going to dive into style components, it is good to know how CSS works. So just a quick recap, HTML, short for hypertext markup language, is standard markup language for creating web pages. It is used to structure and format the content of a web page, including text, images, and other media, and this is essential for SEO. Now, CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets, it is a style sheet language used to describe the look and formatting of a document written in HTML. CSS is used to control the appearance of an element of a web page, such as fonts, color, and layouts. Now, JavaScript is a programming language that is commonly used to build interactive elements on a web page. Basically, each time we interact with the web page, click a button and something happens, it's actually JavaScript that is doing its job. It is used to add dynamic behavior to a web page, such as form validation, animations, and making HTTP requests. Now, something newer than the regular JavaScript is ECMAScript ES6 or ECMAScript 2015 or ECMAScript 6, also known as. Now, this is a newer version of JavaScript that was introduced in the 2015s. And React uses a lot of features from ES6, such as arrow functions, classes, and template literals. Now, by the way, on the subject of classes, we will not use classes in this course. We'll use functional programming. So it is important to have a good understanding of ES6 before diving into learning React. Now, another important technology, or two of them, are Node.js and NPM, because React uses Node.js and NPM to manage dependencies and create a web development environment. So it is important to have a basic understanding of Node.js and NPM. We're not going to explicitly use Node.js and NPM. We are going to use Node.js to install things and also NPM to manage our packages. One last thing, React follows the MVC, the model view controller pattern, which is, well, good to have a basic understanding of this pattern to just understand the structure of React applications, but I wouldn't say that you need to know this. So, having a basic understanding of all of these technologies will make your life easier and will help you learn React faster, as you will already have a good foundation in building web applications. Now, I do have excellent beginner courses and YouTube videos and tutorials on all of them, so feel free to check them out if you wish so. A list of them with links to each is included in the following lecture. However, it is not strictly necessary to have extensive knowledge of these technologies before learning React, as we will cover the basics in this course.